GreenTea English Podcast. Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly.
Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to GreenTea English Podcast. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Before we start, let me ask you something. Have you ever been in a situation where you knew the person next to you, maybe on a bus, in an elevator, or waiting in line, and you wanted to say something simple, just to be friendly, but you froze? You didn't know what to say, so you stayed silent instead. If that has ever happened to you, please leave a comment below and tell me. I promise you, so many learners in our GreenTea community feel exactly the same way. Today, we're going to talk about something that feels small, but actually matters a lot: small talk. Many learners spend years studying grammar and vocabulary, but they never practice the short, simple conversations that happen every single day. Talking about the weather, asking how someone's weekend was, making a friendly comment while waiting for coffee. These moments might seem unimportant, but they're actually where real relationships begin. And here's the truth I want you to remember today. You don't need advanced English for small talk. You need comfortable, natural English, and that's exactly what we'll build together. So the staircase was never really the problem. The problem is the word up. You think you are standing on the ground. You are not. You are being held onto the outside of a spinning ball. And the only reason you have never noticed is that the ball is very large and very smooth, and it has been doing this your entire life. Right now, you are sitting still. You have never once been still. Small talk can feel surprisingly difficult for English learners, even for those with a strong vocabulary. Why is that? Because small talk isn't really about words. It's about timing, comfort, and confidence. It's the ability to say something simple without overthinking it, and to keep a light conversation flowing naturally. The good news is, this is a skill you can absolutely train, the same way you train any other part of your speaking. And shadowing is one of the best ways to do exactly that. In many cultures, small talk follows different rules, and that can make it feel even more confusing. Some learners come from places where people don't chat with strangers very often, so the whole idea feels unfamiliar. Other learners understand the concept perfectly in their own language, but freeze the moment they try to do it in English. Wherever you're starting from, that's completely fine. Small talk is simply a skill, and like any skill, it becomes easier the more you practice it, even in small, low-pressure moments like this one. Think about the people in your life who feel easy to talk to. They probably don't use complicated words. They simply feel relaxed, warm, and present in the conversation. That's the feeling we're aiming for today. Not perfect grammar, not impressive vocabulary, just natural, friendly, everyday English that makes other people feel comfortable talking with you. And once you feel comfortable, small talk stops feeling like a test and starts feeling like a simple, human connection. Before we begin, let me ask you one more question. Do you usually avoid small talk because you're not sure what to say? Or do you enjoy those short, friendly exchanges, even if they're a little awkward sometimes? There's no wrong answer here. Most learners feel a mix of both, and that's completely normal. Today's goal isn't to become a master conversationalist overnight. It's simply to build a small collection of natural phrases you can use whenever the moment comes. So today, we'll practice 15 sentences designed to help you feel more comfortable with small talk in English. As always, listen carefully first. Then repeat each sentence out loud, right after me. Copy my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as you can. Imagine you're actually standing next to someone, ready to start a friendly little conversation. Take your time, and remember, there's no rush here at all. All right, are you ready? Let's begin today's shadowing English speaking practice. Nice weather we're having today, isn't it? Nice weather we're having today, isn't it? Nice weather we're having today. Excellent. How's your day going so far? How's your day going so far? How's your day going so far? Brilliant. Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good weekend? Amazing. I love your bag. Where did you get it? I love your bag. Where did you get it? I love your bag. Where did you get it? Great. Let's continue. Sorry, do you know what time it is? Sorry, do you know what time it is? Sorry, do you know what time it is? Awesome. This line is taking forever, isn't it? Have you been waiting long? I haven't seen you here before. Do you come often? It's such a lovely little place, isn't it? What do you usually do on weekends? That's a really interesting question. I know exactly what you mean. It was so nice talking to you. Let's catch up again sometime soon. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Wow, fantastic job today, my dear English learners. You've just practiced 15 sentences you can use for small talk in real everyday situations. And I hope you noticed something while you were speaking. None of these sentences were complicated. None of them needed advanced vocabulary or perfect grammar. They were simple, warm, and natural. And that's exactly what makes small talk work. Remember, small talk isn't about impressing anyone. It's about opening a door, a small, friendly door that can sometimes lead to a much bigger conversation, a new friendship, or even an opportunity you didn't expect. The next time you're standing in line, waiting for a bus, or chatting with a neighbor, try using one of today's sentences. You might be surprised how naturally the conversation continues from there. And please remember, it's completely okay if small talk still feels a little uncomfortable at first. Every confident conversationalist once felt exactly the same way you do now. The difference is they kept trying, kept speaking, and slowly built comfort through repetition, exactly like we're doing together here on GreenTea English Podcast. Comfort isn't something you wait for. It's something you build, one small conversation at a time, one shadowing session at a time, one brave hello at a time. So here's a small challenge for you today. Try starting one small conversation this week, even a tiny one. It could be a simple comment to a cashier, a neighbor, or a classmate. Keep it short and simple, just like today's sentences. Notice how it feels, and remember that every small conversation is training you to become more comfortable in English. Now, I'd love to hear from you, as always. Which of today's sentences do you think you'll use first? And do you usually enjoy small talk, or does it make you feel a little nervous? Leave your answers in the comments below, and don't forget to tell us which country you're watching from today. I always love seeing our Green Tea community grow with learners from all around the world. If you enjoyed today's shadowing English speaking practice, please give this video a like, subscribe to GreenTea English Podcast if you haven't already, and share it with a friend who's also learning English. Come back soon for more practice, because every single session brings you one step closer to speaking English naturally and confidently in every situation, big or small. Until then, keep listening, keep shadowing, and most importantly, keep speaking English every single day. This is GreenTea English Podcast, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Take care, my dear learners.